Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change language of your Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. You can change or translate the theme language or the default text in your theme to customize your online store. This can make your store more relatable to customers, improving your conversions rate. Translating the language of a website makes it accessible to a wider audience. By breaking down language barriers, businesses can tap into new markets and demographics. Even after translating the language, you may want to change how you speak to customers. Example, you could change the store language for this like cart to shopping bag or sold out to unavailable. To translate the theme settings in Shopify admin, click on settings. Then tap on languages. Now, click add a language and select what language you need to add. Then select Next. To change the store language, under the online store, click on Themes and click on the ellipsis Actions. And then click on Edit Default Theme Content. In each of the tabs, you can change the default languages and click Save to apply the changes. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.